Alright guys, welcome back and you know why he's here? Do you guys know why he's here? Look at his smile. Look at him. Look at him. Alright, because finally something that we ordered is finally here. And guess what it is? It floats and it goes in the water and they're gonna enjoy it. There it is. There you go. You have the honors to open it, sir.
Thank you.
There it is. But you be careful. Don't cut it. There it is, buddy. There it is. Cut the sides over here. There it is. This is
ginormous.
It's gonna be interesting. All right, take. What is this? This is the carrying bag.
Yeah.
Cool. All right.
I thought.
Let me bend this way.
Where did I put this?
All right, here goes
Paddle?
the paddles, the oars.
The oars.
Here we go, the floor. I guess. Hey, see if you think you can pick that up.
Yeah.
So, hold on.
He's really light.
All right. All right, get it out of the way.
What?
That's a box.
Oh, the box is up.
Okay. I guess it goes this way.
Oh, that's not bad. Oh, that's big.
All right. Interesting.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, that's pretty
So
cool.
the V bottom is right there, and that's what inflates.
Yeah, here is the.
Let me see.
Here's
What
the
is this?
pump.
Oh, this is the repair kit.
Oh, good.
What's in here? Oh.
Oh yeah, the repair kit. Okay. All right, guys. So here it is. The dinghy, whatever you want to call it. This is a 11-footer, and it's made for 5 people. Just perfect enough for us. So that's a good thing. And the reason why I got a new, I'm gonna tell you guys why. Everybody was selling it like maybe $200, $300 off. So to me, it wasn't worth it. And then they're all beat up, scratched up. So I figured, you know what, it's worth buying a new one. So that's what I did. And here it is. All right, so we're gonna try to pump it up, see how it look. See how it look. All right, so we're trying to figure this out, you know, with our first timers. I guess that's the first one over there.
I think you have to twist it on, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah. There you go. I'll start pumping, baby. Go ahead.
It's filling up.
Yeah, it's filling up. All right, so pretty cool, huh, guys? So can't wait to try it out. And I'm gonna show you guys what we got for power. This is what we got for power right here. A Yamaha 4-stroke 9.9 that we found. This we bought used, but the good thing is a 2018 and it's in very good condition. And we already tried it. It starts right up. So that's it. We're gonna have some fun in the sun. So there it is, guys. It came all the way from California. It took like five days to get here.
Yeah, about a week, I think.
Yeah, so it's ready to go.
It says not to inflate all the way.
Okay, then go to the next one. All right, go to the next one, I guess. guys, we just did the floor, and that was the hardest thing to do, because you have to stick a screwdriver here and a screwdriver here, but you have to be careful, don't go deep, because you'll poke a hole and move the whole plate forward, because it's really hard to get the plates in there. And that's the good thing about this, the new dinghy. So the new dinghy has an aluminum floor. The older dinghy has inflatable floor. Yeah, look at that. See? Florida weather. It was just sunny, now it got all cloudy and it's starting to rain. So I guess project on hold. I guess we'll be back once it stops. Keep you guys in tune. Alright guys, we're up and loaded, and we're gonna go ahead and do the water test on the lake here by the house, and we'll see how it's gonna run, and we'll see how it goes. It wasn't that hard getting on the truck, so maybe that's the way we're gonna do it. We're gonna load it on the truck, hook up the big boat, and then we'll head out on the water. But not today. Today we're just gonna go ahead and test out the new dinghy. So let's get with the show. All right, so we got the dinger in the water. We're gonna do a little test run, see how good the 9.9 Yamaha works on a 11-foot dinghy.
Oh boy.
Getting too old for this, boy.
Eating too many sausages.
All right.
I'll push you out. We're gonna
Hold on.
Hold on. Don't go so deep.
warm it up. Then you're gonna warm it up. Choke.
Should I stop? Want me to pull?
Nice.
Alright, so we're doing a little cruise just to see how it does. Alright, so pushing it. Gotta go around the island, go snorkeling, Bahamas.
Go to the Bahamas.
Yeah, go around. Oh yeah, go around the island over there. Yeah. The good thing is we can fish around Boca Chica without moving the boat. Yeah, it's running about 18, 20 miles an hour. right, guys, so that was a test run for the dinghy with 9.9 4-stroke Yamaha. It ran about, I'm guessing, about 18-20 miles an hour on a little light chop. So far so good. We're gonna enjoy it. So you guys like it or what?
Yes.
Did you guys like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was super fun, huh?
All right, yeah, I mean, it was pretty stable. That's it, a little test run on a dinghy. Let the adventures begin, because we're gonna go put it on the boat, take it with us wherever we go, and then we're gonna go ahead exploring. But now we could use the dinghy instead of moving the boat around. That's why. And then once we go to Hialeah Key or the islands or anywhere, we can move around easier with the dinghy instead of the boat, like I said. So, and maybe they could do some flats fishing. I don't know, what do you think? All right, guys, thank you for watching, and let's keep having fun.